Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. Video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, a small portable IoT health sticker which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. It is difficult to monitor the health of a person continuously. This IoT-enabled monitor can stick to the body and capture the data of your health. This device captures data like heartbeat, body temperature, and shows it on the phone. The components used here are ESP12F chip, MAX301002 module, MCP73812T chip, LEDs, capacitors, resistors, slide switch, and a battery. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.